Hi guys, and welcome to Visual C++ tutorial of an advanced payroll management system. Now guys, I'm going to show you how this works. First of all, let me show you guys the database. That is the database, and as you can see, there's nothing on this very database. So I'm going to leave it open the way it is. Okay, I'm just going to kind of like minimize it. Okay, just click on add. Take note of the details we have in here of Mary Allen. If I click on add, as you can see there, I've officially clicked on add. There we go. Record saved on database, on payroll database. I'm going to click on OK there. So let's go straight now to the database. That is the database. As you can see, there's nothing in there, but when I close it and reopen it, there we should be able to see Mary Allen's details. Now I'm going to close that and just minimize it. We can do one more thing, or more than one more thing on this very system. I can print if I want, and that is it. You can copy and paste anywhere you want to paste it. Let's assume I want to paste it right underneath here. Click on paste. There we go. Okay, we can clear and start up a new system entirely. You can reset it all, generate reference, start new system. Like I said, let's pick on anybody there. That's Tony Allen, and enter details of Tony Allen in there. There we go. Click on payment there. And one more thing that we can do is, since Tony Allen's details is generated, let's go to tools. We can change the color to whatever color we want. Let's go for blue there. And we can also change the font. Make that bold, and let's look for something a little bit more. You see that? We can do anything just like we are working on any of the other operating system on this very advanced payroll management system. And just for your information guys, this is just an overview, and I will be coming up with a new tutorial very soon. So let's give that a name. We call that Tony, and save it straight on the desktop there. Clear. Click on open, and let's get hold of Tony's details there. Come right here. That's it. There, you can do anything you want to do with this very package guys. So like I said, this is just an overview, and I'll be back shortly with a full tutorial, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.